Let's draw a fat little hamster. First, draw his big head. Wonderful! Now draw the hamster's cheeks. Yellow. And a round little nose. Black. And a little mouth, too. Brown. And a sharp tooth. Deep pink. Super! Now draw the hamster's two little ears. Orange red. Light pink. And a fat little body. Orange red. Draw one front paw. And the other front paw. Light pink. Fantastic! And two back paws. Light pink. And finally, a little tail. Orange. You now have a very cute little hamster.